The common ostrich, or simply ostrich, is a species of flightless bird native to certain large areas of Africa. It is one of two extant species of ostriches, the only living members of the genus Struthio in the ratite order of birds. Cassowaries are flightless birds of the genus Cassowarius in the order Cassowariiformes. They are classified as ratites, flightless birds without a keel on their sternum bones. Cassowaries are native to the tropical forests of New Guinea, the Moluccas, and northeastern Australia. 3 cassowary species are extant. The great horned owl, also known as the tiger owl or the hoot owl, is a large owl native to the Americas. It is an extremely adaptable bird with a vast range and is the most widely distributed true owl in the Americas. The red-tailed hawk is a bird of prey that breeds throughout most of North America, from the interior of Alaska and northern Canada to as far south as Panama and the West Indies. It is one of the most common members within the genus of Buteo in North America or worldwide. The crowned eagle, also known as the African crowned eagle or the crowned hawk eagle, is a large bird of prey found in sub-Saharan Africa. In southern Africa, it is restricted to more easterly areas. Its preferred habitats are principally riparian woodlands and various forests. The emu is a species of flightless bird endemic to Australia, where it is the tallest native bird. It is the only extant member of the genus Dromaeus and the third tallest living bird after its African ratite relatives, the common ostrich and Somali ostrich. The barred owl, also known as the northern barred owl, striped owl, or more informally, hoot owl or eight-hooter owl, is a North American large species of owl. A member of the true owl family, Strigidae, they belong to the genus Strix, which is also the origin of the family's name under Linnaean taxonomy. The Australian magpie is a black and white passerine bird native to Australia and southern New Guinea and introduced to New Zealand and the Fijian island of Tavuni. Although once considered to be 3 separate species, it is now considered to be one, with 9 recognized subspecies. The common loon, or great northern diver, Gavia immer, is a large member of the loon, or diver family of birds. Breeding adults have a plumage that includes a broad black head and neck, with a greenish, purplish, or bluish sheen, blackish or blackish-gray upper parts, and pure white underparts except some black on the undertail coverts and ven. The European herring gull is a large gull, up to 66 centimeters long. It breeds throughout the northern and western coasts of Europe. The northern variable pitohui is a species of pitohui in the family Oriolidae. It is found on New Guinea and a number of neighboring islands. Its natural habitat is subtropical or tropical moist lowland forests. It is also one of the few known poisonous birds. The snowy owl, also known as the polar owl, the white owl, and the Arctic owl, is a large white owl of the true owl family. Snowy owls are native to the Arctic regions of both North America and the Palearctic, breeding mostly on the tundra.